It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following: signs of tooth decay in dogs and what you should do. Cavities are quite rare in dogs. In fact, dental cavities, or bacterial infections of the teeth, are common in people, rare in dogs, and essentially non-existent in cats. Cavities are the main reason for rotten teeth in dogs, also in humans, but they only affect about 10% of dogs. Dogs rarely have problems with cavities and rotten teeth, but because their saliva is more alkaline than acidic. Canine teeth have fewer cracks and pits. His diet is low in carbohydrates. Not being prone to cavities is great news for your dog. However, it is still important to maintain your dog's dental health and work with a veterinarian on a plan to avoid periodontal disease, which is the #1 dental problem dogs have. If you suspect a tooth decay problem in your dog, whether it's in your puppy or one you're raising that may not have had proper dental hygiene, here's what you need to know. 1. Signs that your dog has rotten teeth. Tooth decay is the destruction of tooth enamel, the hard, outer layer of the teeth. Plaque, a sticky form of bacteria, is constantly spreading. It forms on the teeth and the acids attack the enamel. When the enamel breaks down, a hole appears and more bacteria enter this void or cavity. This causes decomposition. It's unlikely that you'll be able to spot the symptoms of a dog's rotten teeth with the naked eye. Unfortunately, pets rarely show signs of dental disease. Cavities can sometimes be seen on an initial oral examination, but are usually found after the teeth have been cleaned and a doctor performs a detailed oral examination on a patient. Anesthetized. In dogs, caries usually occurs on the occlusal surfaces of the molars. It has the appearance of a brown to black cavitated lesion with a smooth surface into which a sharp tip of the explorer can penetrate and stick. This is the reason we usually cannot detect a cavity. We cannot do that type of survey. There really aren't many symptoms that we can associate with cavities. Occasionally, you may notice a bad odor from your mouth or so much tartar on your teeth that they become completely covered. Pain caused by dental disease comes on slowly and pets simply learn to deal with that pain. What choice do they have? They keep eating and playing. How are rotten teeth related to periodontal disease, also known as gum disease, in dogs? A buildup of plaque and tartar can be severe enough to cause problems, but there is no set of stages for cavities in dogs like there is with periodontal disease. 2. Removal and treatment of rotten teeth in dogs. Treating cavities in dogs is similar to treating human cavities. The diseased part of the tooth is removed with a dental drill and then the defect is restored, filled, with a light, cured, tooth-colored filling material called composite. The restoration is then properly contoured, smoothed, and the edges smoothed. Sealed with an adhesive agent. This procedure requires additional training and good attention to detail. Most general practitioners cannot perform dental restorations. In rare cases, decayed teeth are removed due to severe gum disease or a fracture involving the center of a tooth, known as the pulp. Under no circumstances should you attempt to pull out a dog's rotten tooth yourself at home. 3. How to prevent future cavities in dogs. Like humans, dogs often struggle with gingivitis, which is an inflammation and infection found at the gum line and the first stage of periodontal disease. The most effective home remedy for cavities is brushing, especially on the chewing surfaces at the back of the mouth. You can also try certain chew toys and dental treats to remove tartar. More importantly, establish a routine of annual checkups and professional cleanings so that a veterinary dentist can identify potential problems and treat them quickly. This dedicated attention to your pup's chewers will keep them healthy for life. And no need to floss. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.